Hello, trading is closed on February 18, 2015. I'm Jeffrey Tennant. I didn't have a specific call at yesterday's close. That turns out to have been rather fortuitous as we closed essentially unchanged. I did say if this last 5 minutes of trading was as I thought, retail customers buying with abandon, that we should have at least a gap under this low and preferably a gap under that one. Well, if you look at the futures prices, we did have a gap under that low. I thought we had a chance for a gap outside the day's range, but that didn't happen. As far as mejt during the day, here it said ultimately lower prices would print. Here's the target. They printed support under the target. At the same time that this lower target was established, mejt said there was also a higher target back up here that printed. It was a good resistance area. It said this decline was not for keeps. Targeted a retracement up to that thick blue line which we got. It said the afternoon spurt higher was a false move. It also targeted a return to this thick blue line, which turned out to have been the end of the drop. And there's no new mejt target for tomorrow. I want to point out the prediction early in the day. We had a gap down, consolidated, and hit a new low. Without mejt, I think there'd be a great tendency for someone to say we're going to keep on dropping. In fact, mejt said this is a support area, and this higher price was a target. Even if you didn't take the trade, I think you would be dissuaded from piling on the short side here. Even if you don't make a trade from the mejt system, I think it's fair to say that people who use it properly dramatically reduce the number of losing trades which they have. Well, how about tomorrow? We have a standard bullish formation where we start out low and we rally all day long. It's the same formation we had yesterday where we start out low and rally all day long, and these lows can't hold. So that's good. What isn't good is we still haven't taken out the middle of the day high from yesterday. And we really need to do that, preferably as early in the day as we possibly can. If we have a gap under today's low, all this positive formation is for naught, and the odds favor us continuing lower. Normally, I think saying the rally would continue would be a slam dunk call. Tomorrow's pattern has a strong tendency to rally. We're still in a bull market until we aren't, even though I have my reservations about how long we'll be in it. We're still in it until we aren't. We've rallied all day long. The one thing which makes it not such a slam dunk is we still have lower mejt targets. We still haven't taken out this high. And we still have pretty clear sell signals from Tom DeMark. And in my mind, that makes it kind of risky to hold a position overnight. All we have to do is clear this high, preferably early in the day, and I think we could go higher. But there is a risk that if this low falls, we could have a significant drop. And as usual, the picture is going to be clearer in the morning, but that's what I think is going on as of now, and that's today's call.